A child has been surrendered under Daniel's law to Prisma Health. We should say a baby, rather. Officials accepted the baby on Monday. That's after a mother gave birth there and had to turn the infant over just moments later. Our Ashley Jones joins us live outside of Prisma Health. Ashley, you spoke with a representative from DSS who gave you details about how Daniel's law works, but she couldn't give you too much because obviously this is such a private matter.
That's right. That DSS spokesperson couldn't tell me much about the mother, obviously to maintain confidentiality, but she does confirm that the mother gave birth to a baby that weighs 7 pounds and it was 20 inches long and is a baby girl.
She should be celebrated. She's not the villain.
Conley Ann Ragley, the Director of Communications and External Affairs at DSS, is referring to the mother that turned over her baby girl on Monday, January 9th.
With that infant, DSS took custody of the child, and we have had the little girl medically cleared, and she has been placed in a licensed foster home.
Daniel's law was enacted back in 2001 after a newborn baby was found buried in a landfill out in Allendale County. Nurses who cared for the baby in the hospital named him Daniel. The law was named and put in place after him to make sure these types of dangerous and sometimes fatal abandonments don't happen again.
This is an option. Don't harm your child. Don't put it in a dumpster. Don't put it in a box and bury it, or leave it in a bathroom somewhere. There are options, and really just to try to understand where a mother is coming from, making this incredibly courageous decision.
Under this law, instead of abandoning a child, parents are able to turn over their baby 60 days or younger unharmed without facing any legal consequences. The baby also must be surrendered to a safe haven. A safe haven is a hospital, any law enforcement agency, or a church.
Daniel's laws throughout, not only in South Carolina and other states, are really meant to try to deter abuse and neglect.
7 babies were surrendered under Daniel's law last year, and then in total, 56 babies were surrendered since 2009. Reporting live here in Columbia, I'm Ashley Jones, WIS News 10.
And the next step in this Daniel's law process is a permanency planning hearing to decide where the baby will now go from here.